The Alliance Partner Program was developed directly due to customers reaching out to us, telling us how much they love the technology in our drain systems and asking us, can you help us install them? And as a drain manufacturer, we clearly don't install the products. We sell them to distribution, to contractors, to end users, and they have to deal with the installation of it. But so many people, especially in food facilities or really any type of facility, they deal with what they're doing. They're not contractors, they don't install these things, and they don't know who to trust. So we created this network to bring contractors that were qualified and could help our customers and food and beverage processors out there get a turnkey solution for their drainage and floor coating needs, and more in their facility, because our contractors that are part of our partners can do much more than just drains. Many of them are general contractors, design builders, mechanical plumbing contractors. Contractors throughout the United States and Canada who could partner with us in providing a level of service that no other company really provides.